Despite public pressure to divulge reasons as to why some applicants for the top positions at the judiciary were rejected, the Judicial Service Commission maintains that the law does not allow it to release confidential information to the public. In a short statement to newsrooms, JSC acting chairperson Professor Margaret Kobia said such information could only be availed directly to the applicants if they requested for it in writing. This even as the Commission announced a schedule for the interviews for the shortlisted candidates. Court of Appeal Judge Al-Nashir Visram will be the first to face the Judicial Service Commission interview panel on Monday, the 29th of August, for the position of Chief Justice. Nsaga Mbugoli shall be interviewed the following day, followed by his High Court colleague David Maraga. The former chair of the Committee of Experts on the Constitution Review, Nzamba Kitonga, will face the JSC panel on the 1st of September, followed by Justice Rosalyn Nambuye, and the final candidate to be interviewed for the CJ position shall be Supreme Court Judge Justice Dr. Smokin Wanjala. In the meantime, the public has been invited to submit any relevant information on any of the candidates. In an earlier interview with Citizen TV, Chief Registrar of the Judiciary Anna Madi said the candidates would be duly informed of any adverse information against them from members of the public prior to the interviews.
So that if anybody has anything negative against candidate, then the candidate will be notified in advance and given a chance to respond in advance, so that if the matter is resolved, then they can proceed.
The 13 shortlisted candidates for the post of Deputy Chief Justice will be interviewed between the 6th to the 15th of September, while the candidates for the Supreme Court Judge position shall be interviewed from the 26th of September to 7th of October. At the end of the interviews, JSC shall recommend the name of one candidate for each of the positions to the President for appointment. The President shall in turn forward the names to Parliament for approval. Jackie Maribe, Citizen Live at 9.